Hello everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, we're going to make a YouTube logo opener using Adobe After Effects. So before starting this tutorial, let's have a look what we'll create today. So in this tutorial, we're going to make this. So now let's start. First, import your logo in After Effects. I'm going to import this logo. Now create a new composition. I'm going with 1920 pixel by 1080 pixel and frame rate 30, duration 12 or maybe 10 seconds. Then hit OK and you can rename it to logo. Now drag this logo to this composition. You can turn on this title and action safe. Select the logo and press S to open scale, then decrease it something like this. Okay, now create another composition and click OK. Now we are going to create a shape layer here. So from here I'm going to select the ellipse tool and click here, create a shape like this and change its color from here to white or any color you want. Now select this and place the anchor point to the center of this. Now press S to open scale and make it something like this. Now select this shape layer and press Ctrl D 2 times to duplicate this. Now change this color to red. Hit OK. Now select all of this layer, then press S and make this to 0. Now create a keyframe here. Now go to around something like here, then make it to 255. Now let's adjust the timing. Drag this to something like here and this to here. Now you can see this is animation. Now we need to add some smoothness to it. Select all of this layer and press U to open keyframes, then select all of them, then click here and make them as is, or you can press F9. Now click here to enable motion blur and also enable motion blur from here. Now let's see the preview. You can also adjust the keyframe timing anytime. By the way, if you're still not subscribed to my channel, then please make sure that you have subscribed to my channel and press the bell icon to get all of my new videos notification. Now select them, then right click on your mouse and pre-compose them, rename it to shapes. Select move to all latitude, then hit OK. Now bring the logo comb to here. And in here, drag this logo to above all of them. And here, press S in the logo, then create a keyframe, make it 0, and go to around something like here, and make it 100%. And go to here and make it 110, and again go to keyframe and make it 100% again. Select all of them and make them as is again. Click here, go to here, and now draw another shape. Make sure that I have not selected any of them there. Then go to here, select the rectangular tool, draw a shape like this. You can choose any color. But I am going to use my logo color from here. And here you can type your title. Make the anchor point is in center. Go to align. Okay. And bring this shape layer to this position. Now select the shape layer, press press P, and go here, create a keyframe, and back to here, and drag this to here. Now drag this shape layer to below this logo. Select the shape layer, press U, and in here press S to open scale, create a keyframe and make it to 0, and go to here, make it 100%. Press U, now select this keyframe and press F9 or make them as is. And make sure that I have turned on motion blur for this also and for this. Now right click on your mouse, create a new text and type your title here. I'm going to type tutorial. Now select this tutorial text and parent this to this shape layer. Fit it to screen. Now let's see the preview. You can adjust the shape size anytime. Now go to project, double click in the shape layers and go to here. Then select all of them. Press P and create another keyframes here. Go to here and drag them something like this. Now select them, adjust it. Select all of this keyframe and make them edges. Now back to this composition. And in here, select this, then press P to open positions, and again create keyframes here. Go to here and drag them like this. Now select this keyframe and make them edges. Now let's see the preview. So this is how we can make this animation logo opener in After Effects. Now let's render this. To render this, go to composition and select add to render queue, or you can select Adobe Media Encoder if you had. I'm going to use to add to render queue. Then click on this lossless option, and from here select the quick time, and from here select is 264. If you have an audio, turn it on. If you don't have, then turn it off. Now hit OK, and from here select your output folder where you want to save this. Then click save. Now just click on this render button. It will start the rendering of your logo animation or intro video.
So this is how we can make a YouTube logo banner using Adobe After Effects. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, then make sure that you subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get all of my new videos notification. And thanks for watching.